by sectioning your hair in a U shape at the top. Secure this section with clips to keep it out of the way. Next, gather the remaining hair and tie it into a low ponytail at the back. Now place the U-shaped section. Secure it in place by closing the clip along the line. Release the ponytail at the back and unclip the top section. Blend it over the wig. Comb through your hair to achieve a smooth, seamless finish. Be confident and let's enjoy your seamless hair look. And if you're considering trying Widgie extensions, our website currently has exclusive offers up to 30% off. Feel free to take a look. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more helpful videos from us.